So to stitch in TikTok, I normally press the heart first or put it on my collection before stitching. Yeah, you can add it as your collection, say to stitch stuffed before you're stitching it. So to stitch, you just need to click the share icon, but normally again, I heart it or add it to my collection. And then once good, I click on the stitched, and then you have an option as well to adjust the time frame. Normally there's a 5 seconds maximum of time to stitch a TikTok video. So you can lengthen it, but the maximum time is what do you call that? The maximum time is 5 seconds. Now, once you're good in that, you can then start stitching. You should be good with that. I want to stitch the area. I hit the next, and then like you can see here, there is like a frame there that I am stitching 5 seconds. So for normally the first video, the stitch one will be shown first before your feedback or your reaction. So that's how it looks when I preview it. Look at that and you're good to go. Hope it helps. Thank you.